Hi students. As we all know that Unacademy is probably one of the best forums to crack judicial examinations. One of the very important aspects of judicial examinations is test series. The Unacademy is now starting a new aspect called Unacademy Lite, in which they are going to provide you test series for all levels, for prelims, mains. There will be more than 50 tests. There will be tests regarding prelims, there will be tests regarding separate topics. In fact, they will be covering very comprehensively all sort of tests for judicial examinations. You should join as quickly as possible. The early bird price is 1499 1499 rupees. But if you take admission today or tomorrow, there is an unlock 20 offer going on in which you get 20% discount. In other words, it boils down to 1199. So if you want to join the test series, join today and tomorrow at 1199 and you will get access to a whole treasure of tests on all the topics of law, both for mains as well as for prelims. Join the bandwagon of success. Join Unacademy. Let's crack it.